Hey everyone, ever find yourself buried in emails and just want to silence those notifications without actually opening them? Well, Gmail's got you covered with a brand new trick that makes marking emails as unread a total breeze. First things first, open your Gmail account on your computer. Now, take a look at your inbox, all those emails calling your name. Find the email you want to mark as unread. Maybe it's that urgent work email you want to tackle later, a newsletter you're not ready to dive into, or even a promotional email you just want to hush for now. Here's where the magic happens. At the top of the page, you'll see a little envelope icon. That's your secret weapon. Click it, and bam! Your email is now marked as unread and back on your unread list, ready for you whenever you are. No more opening the email, no more digging through settings, just a simple click and you're good to go. So there you have it, another cool Gmail tip to make your email life easier. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy Gmail tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.